Hey guys, put up to you guys. First off, welcome to the two new subscribers, and my wife is also watching. I want to say thank you for subscribing. It gives me a little motivation to post more. Reason why I've been posting so much: work and wife's immigration. That stuff is stressful. Work right now is pretty calm for me, thank goodness. I'm still balancing a few things. Military housing still sucks, so I'm dealing with that bullshit. They've screwed me over with that. But the 66 I'm currently rebuilding, that one is taking a bit longer. I had some tools break. I'm trying to figure out how to get the damn spring compressed. As you can see from the upcoming video, I started transferring up half of the car. This way it's a little easier for me to show you guys how it goes together. So far I did part of the windows. I did the front bearing strut, see what that, and the wheel assembly. I dropped the rear diff as well as the springs and all the like. Haven't unhooked the brake line / e-brakes yet because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing with that. But I dropped it right now so that way the HOA here will see it on the ground and they won't bitch at me for it. Right now the brand new body is sitting on my rusty, rotten, free Facebook trailer. As I am getting Facebook messages. Thank you so much, Facebook. So, updates on what's been happening. Dodge Ram is gone, traded for the 95 Mustang you just saw. 95 Mustang is gone. I sold that for $3,000 to my guys, my command. Oh my god, I'm gonna regret selling the one later because it is so much fucking fun. The guy straight piped the shit out of it, and that thing fucking flew. It is more fun than I should be allowed to have as a married guy and as an E4. But it's so much fucking fun. That thing will... Bye, Facebook. That thing will fly on the highway like nobody's business, and it's just a thrill. So, personal life update. So, wife's immigration is going well. We finally have her interview scheduled. Just finished all the paperwork. After she gets here, we'll do a step-by-step of how we did it, how she got here, and we'll do more vlogs. This is like the first since I've started the channel, so forgive me for that. I'm currently working on, besides the cars, two Xerox copiers. One has a full-blown self-standing copier, black and white. Other one's color. I might do those later on, because it does still fit with the whole channel. I might record that one. So the color one is currently waiting on one unit. I've already replaced the screen on it. It's a Phaser 7400. And the Xerox 3250, was it? I digress. Jesus Christ, Facebook, shut the fuck up. What else we got? Shit, I got to start my damn Facebook. Fuck you. Who was that? Goddamn Tony. We got so coming up probably next weekend. This week, I'll hopefully have the Mustang swapped. By what I mean swapped, I mean I'll have that nice brand new body in my driveway, facing the right way, and the other one will be on the trailer going to the local little scrapyard because it's pretty much gutted at that point. Once I take off the engine and shit, it'll be pretty much just a chassis. There won't be nothing to roll on it. Now, if anyone's wondering why I'm not doing the whole upgrade to a 302, which is seen in the photos there, because I don't have the mounts. It's just easier to do the straight 6, and it's already there. It's and we have manual brakes, so it's kind of like, well, do you really want more power on the damn Mustang? Okay, I think I got distracted for a bit there. So your wife will start with the explaining the immigration. Costs a lot of money, let me tell you that right now. Far more military information. And maybe I'll post some videos of a line handling event where we send militias out to sea, because I think that'd be pretty cool to do. I'll get to that eventually. But I digress on that one. Anyway, I'm going to go sit back, relax, and play some World of Warships for a little bit, because I am tired, bored, and probably running off a little steam now that I got some work on the car done. But thanks for watching, and stick around. We'll have a lot more soon.